If you're wondering whether AskSetu AI is worth your time or just another overhyped tool, stick around. I've tested it, and these 7 crucial things will either make you love it or skip it. And if you're serious about staying ahead in digital tools, you'll want to hear the last one. You can try AskSetu AI completely free using the first link in the description, so you can see for yourself while I walk you through everything you need to know. But before you click away, what AskSetu just did with user prompts and contextual understanding, no one else is doing it quite like this. Let's dive in. First off, AskSetu isn't just another ChatGPT clone. It's an AI-powered assistant built for precision with a focus on answering real-world questions, especially around government services and support. But what sets it apart? It actually integrates verified databases and policy-level insights, which makes it dramatically more reliable for factual queries, especially in countries like India, where information gaps are huge. It's designed to be used by everyday people, not just tech-savvy users. Whether you're a small business owner trying to figure out government schemes or someone navigating public services, AskSetu's AI understands complex questions in plain language and gives accurate, actionable answers. That's a big win for usability. Number 3, its multilingual capability. AskSetu doesn't just translate, it interprets meaning based on cultural context. I tested questions in English, Hindi, and even Hinglish, and it adapted beautifully. This is a huge edge in emerging markets and underserved regions where traditional AIs fail to deliver nuance. Another thing I noticed is how lightweight and responsive it is. The UI is clean, minimal, and mobile first. There's almost no learning curve. You ask, it answers. Fast. And compared to some bloated AI dashboards I've seen recently, this one actually feels like a tool, not a toy. Fifth, it's built with real user intent in mind. That means when you ask about a policy, it doesn't just summarize it, it shows you how to take action. That kind of task-based logic in AI, it's rare and really valuable if you're serious about saving time. Now here's where things get exciting. AskSetu is already being integrated into government and citizen-facing platforms. That means as it grows, it will likely become the go-to AI for reliable, region-specific information. Think of it like ChatGPT meets a verified government database, but faster and easier to use. And finally, this one's for the digital marketers watching. The potential here is huge. With the API access AskSetu is planning to roll out, developers and businesses will soon be able to embed real-time AI help into customer service, onboarding, and even lead qualification. That's not just smart, it's the future. So if you're looking for the best just released AI software that's practical, accurate, and already creating real-world impact, AskSetu AI is worth your attention. Try it out using the link below. It's completely free. And if you want to know which other AI tools I actually recommend after testing thousands of them, you'll find that list in the description as well.